In this video we'll be making beef curry along with yellow rice.
For today's cooking, these are the spices we're gonna use. Here I've got paprika, I've got chili powder, I've got turmeric powder, this one is cumin powder, this is garam masala, this is coriander powder, a whole clove of garlic that I'm going to use later, and this is red chili, cinnamon, bay leaves, cloves, cardamom, and some green chilies and red chilies. I'm using a lot of chilies. You can see there is chili powder, I have green chilies and red chilies, and some these ones as well, some dry red chilies. So if you don't want spicy, you can just simply take them off and it will be fine. And I also have this fresh garlic and ginger paste that I'm going to use, and I'm also using an onion, and I'm going to chop them like this, which I've already chopped. So guys, now comes the main part, the marination. This is the beef that I bought, and I'm going to marinate them now. Let's do it. The garlic ginger paste that I've made, I'm going to put it straight in there. You see? Straight in there. Good. Oh. My meat has been marinated, and now we'll start the cooking process. So my pan is completely hot, and I'm going to start putting the oil now. This is a fair amount of cooking oil. And my whole spices in there. I'm going to shake it a little bit, and I'm going to let them roast. Now I shall add the green chilies in there. The whole color is going to change. And this is the end moment. My curry is almost ready. You can see the oil is up. I'm gonna add a little bit of cumin on top. Let's give it a try. The meat is so soft. Bismillah. So the proper way to eat is you take a bit of onion, you take the green chilies. My mouth's already watering. You squeeze the lemon juice a little bit. Bismillah. Perfect. Just perfect. Look at this soft meat. Guys, I'm done with the food, you see. भाई ये क्या शांति. This is cocaine, the best drink on earth. So if you like the video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe my channel. And if everything goes well, see you next week.